In this section on electromagnetism, we always deal with conventional current, which we know is the flow of positive charge from the positive terminal of a battery to the negative terminal of a battery. And so we know that when we have a current carrying conductor, what that means is that there is an electric field that is set up across that conductor as a result of the poles on either side. And as a result, we have charge moving through that battery or moving through that conductor. As a result of the moving charge, we have a changing electric field, which we know through electromagnetism that a changing electric field will always induce a magnetic field that is perpendicular to it. This is always true of current carrying conductors, that there will always be a magnetic field produced that is perpendicular to the direction in which current is flowing through a current carrying conductor. The way that we show this is we show or represent a current carrying conductor that is carrying current, in this case out of the board, so that is from the table upwards. We show it with a dot, and what we would show is that there's a magnetic field that is produced that is perpendicular to it, and we demonstrate that with 3 concentric circles, and we determine the direction of the magnetic field around that current carrying wire using the right hand wire rule, which says that we point our thumb in the direction of the current. In this case, the current is coming out of the board or towards the camera, and our fingers will curl in the direction of the magnetic field, which tells us that the magnetic field is rotating counterclockwise around this wire. We would then also demonstrate or notate a wire that is carrying current into the board with a cross, and once again we know that since that is carrying current, it has a changing electric field, which in turn produces a magnetic field that is perpendicular to it. We show that with 3 concentric circles to represent the magnetic field, and using the right hand wire rule, we point our thumb in the direction of the current and our fingers curl in the direction of the magnetic field around that wire. So once again, this is based on the idea that an electric current creates a changing electric field, which results in a magnetic field produced perpendicular to the current in that wire. And we can determine the direction of the magnetic field around any current carrying conductor using the right hand wire rule, which says that if we point our thumb in the direction of the current, our fingers curl in the direction of the magnetic field.